Kayla. Oh, hi guys, it's Tina again, and we're about to make a fire. Awesome, right? Very awesome. And, yeah, so look at it. So awesome. And if you're wondering what this is, this helps me move the wood stuffy. Yeah. Grandma, when are we gonna do the fire? Shut up! We're not doing any fire! But Grandma, shut up! I'm trying to take a nap. My grandma's stupid. She's 100 or something. Even though she's like 70. But she's like 100 because she's so old. But look. Oh my god, there's a bee. Oh god. It's okay. Get it away from me. It's crawling to the top. Stay away from me. I want you. That's scary. Scary. Stupid. No. Never. Why? Because you scared me with a bee. Open it. No. Open the door. I'm scared of you, Gilbert. I gotta call child support, so,